long forgotten. You wonder what their story was. And you wonder why there's no one to look after their stones. And here we are. Look at the difference. I don't know this man, but I do know that we need to respect the generations that have gone on before us. It's not about worshiping the dead. It's nothing like that. It's all about heritage and the love of life and the respect for life. Sadly, these families, their generations, either have passed themselves or just apathetic and don't care. But I think it's important that we always pass down a love of generation, of family, and of a man's good name and his honor. Let us never disrespect those great Americans that came before us.